And we're going to go back to that story and tell you again that Olympic 100-meter bronze medalist Shericka Jackson was the only Jamaican winner on the day as she created an upset at the Rome Diamond League on Thursday. Shericka Jackson was in a field which included two-time Olympic sprint double champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, legendary American Allyson Felix, as well as the Bahamian Olympic champion Shawnee Miller-Weibo. But ahead of the race, the focus from the commentary box barely acknowledged Jackson or any other athlete for that matter. But Jackson would have the final say after running a blistering turn to get home in a meet record and the season's best 21.91. Thompson-Herah ended second in a season's best 22.25.
Cleanly away. Well, Dina Asher-Smith always starts really well. She's got a target to aim for in Elaine Thompson-Herah. Also coming well off the bend is Shericka Jackson, but Thompson-Herah so good in the latter stages. But Jackson's having a fine run here. Asher-Smith and Thompson-Herah. Could this be a first defeat for Thompson-Herah of the season? Goodness me, Jackson's going to take it. Jackson on the line, 21.92. The first time in this meeting that 22 seconds has been broken.
There were other creditable performances from other Jamaicans on the day as it took a meet record and the season's best from Olympic champion Jasmine Camacho Quinn to hold off rising star Brittany Anderson, who clocked a season's best 12.50 for second in the 100-meter hurdles. 2015 world champion Danielle Williams was fifth in 12.90, with Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tapper seventh in 13.08. The Jamaican women in the 400-meter hurdles were also impressive, as Genevieve Russell in 54.18 was second, behind Femke Ball in a season's best 53.02, while Rochelle Clayton was fifth in a season's best 54.80. Nigel Ellis sped to 10.17 to finish fourth in the men's 100 meters, with three Americans taking the top spot, led by a season's best equaling 9.92 by Fred Curley. Christopher Taylor ended fifth in the men's 400 meters in 45.47, just off his season's best, with the top places going to Grenada's Kirani James in 44.54, winning ahead of the American pair of Vernon Norwood 44.81 and Michael Cherry 45.24. Natoya Gould-Toppin was sixth in the women's 800 meters in 1 minute 59.54 seconds, with American teenager Athing Mu establishing a world-leading 1 minute 57.01 for the victory. The next Wonder Diamond League is scheduled for Oslo, Norway on June 16.